The Harmony Challenge. The annual Harmony Challenge was the most anticipated event at Harmony High. It wasn't just about winning, it was about showcasing unity and creating something truly beneficial for the community. Class 10A, known for its vibrant creativity and diligent work ethic, was buzzing with ideas. Abhay and Anya, two of their brightest, were already deep in discussion. Across the hall, Class 12A watched them with keen eyes. Aditya and Ria, leaders of the senior class, were notorious for their competitive spirit. They believed in winning at all costs, and Class 10A's enthusiasm was a challenge they intended to crush. One afternoon, Abhay was walking past the staff room when he overheard a hushed conversation. It was Aditya and Ria outlining a plan to sow discord within Class 10A, targeting their differences in religion, language, caste, and economic status. A chill ran down Abhay's spine, but then a daring idea sparked in his mind. Abhay quickly gathered Anya and Rohan, his closest friends and confidants. He explained the sinister plan he'd overheard. "We can't let them divide us," Abhay declared. "But we can use their plan against them. We'll pretend to fight, make them think their strategy is working, while secretly we work harder than ever on our project." Rohan's eyes widened, a mischievous grin spreading across his face. The next day, the show began. In the cafeteria, Abhay and Anya staged a loud, dramatic argument about the project theme, their voices carrying across the room. Aditya and Ria, watching from a nearby table, exchanged smug glances, convinced their plan was succeeding. The perceived cracks in Class 10A's unity seemed to grow with each passing day. But behind the scenes, Class 10A was a hive of collaborative energy. After school, in a secluded classroom, they pooled their diverse talents. Zara, a quiet but brilliant coder, suggested an app for skill development. "Imagine an app that teaches practical skills, like coding or crafting, in different languages," she proposed, her eyes shining. Rohan immediately jumped in, suggesting modules for various regional languages. The team enthusiastically embraced the SkillBridge app idea. Anya, fluent in several languages, helped with translations and cultural nuances. Other classmates contributed their artistic talents for design, their research skills for content, and their technical expertise for coding. Each student's unique background became a vital thread, weaving together a truly inclusive and powerful creation. The day of the Harmony Challenge arrived. Class 12A presented their project, a flashy but somewhat generic presentation on school beautification. Their confidence was palpable. Then, it was Class 10A's turn. The staged arguments had ceased, replaced by a calm, united front. They walked onto the stage, a picture of quiet determination. Class 10A unveiled SkillBridge. The judges were captivated by its innovation, its genuine public benefit, and the thoughtful integration of diverse languages. They spoke of how the class, despite apparent internal differences, had come together to create something so profound. The announcement came. Class 10A were the champions of the Harmony Challenge. From the audience, Aditya and Ria watched, their faces a mixture of disappointment and grudging respect. Class 10A's victory was more than just winning a competition. It was a powerful testament to the strength of unity and diversity. They had proven that true harmony wasn't about the absence of differences, but about embracing them to build something stronger together.